Yes, friends, today we'll see shortcut keys in MS Excel. So it is a part 1, shortcut shortcut keys in MS Excel part 1 we will see. So now, I am taking student name, total marks. So now we'll see, suppose first shortcut key in this one is, let us take Alt Alt H B, Alt HB. Suppose student name I want to take out the border, so you can see here. So now student name is taken with a border here. So whereas total marks is not having any border. So again we will give the border to the total marks also. What we do, Alt HB, Alt HB. So just top tick bottom border we will see. So here you see, here we have only top bottom tick border. So Alt HB is the first one to give a cell box and border to the cells. Okay. So now we will see another one, control 1, control 1. So we got formatting cells directly. So to format the cells, let us suppose fill, take the fill. I am going to take the color with this one. Okay. Now again second one, control 1. Control 1 gives the shortcut for formatting cells. So again fill, another color. So now look at this one, colors. So shortcut key for this one is control 1. Control 1, you are going to change the colors. Okay, you see here student name changed here. So this is a second shortcut key in this one is, suppose you want to select entire row. So shift and space, shift and space, you see here. Again once again, shift and space combined you give. So you are getting the entire row is selected here. So you can format, you can change the what you call, so entire row is changed here, it is applicable. Suppose now you are filling names. Suppose I have taken the names here. Suppose you want to select entire column. So control space. So now you see here once again, control space. So control space gives the to select the entire column. So whereas alt shift and space, you see here, shift and space takes the entire row, whereas control space, so space bar combined with control, space bar combined with shift. So this is another shortcut key here. Suppose you want to hide this row, so control 9. So control 9 gives the hiding the rows. Control 9 gives the to hide the particular rows. So somewhere sometimes we used to take it. So control 9, whereas control 0, so control 0 gives the hiding columns. Control 9 gives the to hide the row. Control 0 gives the to hide the column here. Suppose this is a, we have work area here. Now you want to create a table, control T. So control T gives the tabular form here. So this is a control T. Suppose you want to save it, control S. So we have to give control S to save a file. Suppose you want to remove it or cut it, control, you select it, control X. Now you take here control V. So control X, control V means cut and paste here. So now, so these are all some of the shortcut keys from a MS Excel. It is from part 1. Okay, we will see some more. So repeat once again. So to select entire row, shift spacebar. So to select entire column, control spacebar. Control spacebar. Okay. So to take the border for a particular one, Alt H B. So that gives the border to this one, Alt H B. So thank you. We will see more. So many shortcut keys are there. So without using any mouse, we can operate in the MS Excel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.